Good morning, guys. Out here in Dennis, Massachusetts, and continuing to dig around this lagoon for the ground mat, the copper ground mat for the lagoon. We got the Kubota KX040 mats operating today. It's Saturday. Out here just trying to get some stuff done at a few jobs. I got one crew, small crew, doing some veneer work at another job, and Matt and I are over here getting some digging done for Monday. We don't have to go down as deep. The pool guy was here and said we just needed to be 6 inches, but we're gonna go about 16, and we're gonna put some crushed stone just for some drainage, and then put the mat at 6 inches and then cover it with some stone. Got a hill here anyways, as you can see. Matt's sitting on a pretty good slope, so need a lot of rain coming down here, so having a little drainage rock up against the lagoon is not going to hurt. So that is what we are doing today. We got tilt bucket on the Kubota, which makes this helpful, especially when you're sitting at an angle like that. This gets steeper over there. We'll see what we can do from up top the hill. But yeah, just wanted to touch base, and I wanted to send a shout out to another YouTuber and send my love and prayers. This past week he lost his wife unexpectedly, and it's horrible, absolutely horrible. And I just want to put it out there. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but it's I Dig It 4, and there's a Patreon for his stepdaughter for funeral expenses and college expenses. He's got a good following, and if we all just send out a little bit of money, I know I'm gonna donate to the daughter's Patreon or the GoFundMe. It's a horrible thing. I count my blessings every day when I get to say goodbye to my wife and come home and give my wife and kids a kiss in the afternoon, and a lot of times we take that for granted in life, that you forget, or you're not having a good day or whatever, and you forget to give your wife and your kids or your loved ones, whoever they are, a kiss goodbye, tell them you love them. And when you come home, you might not be feeling that great after a day of work, especially some of the stuff that we do. But you put a smile on your face, and you don't take for granted that your 5-year-old has been waiting for you to come home and gives you a big hug and kiss, and your wife's there with a smile on her face. So I just want to tell everybody, if you can get over to his page and take down the information and send the love, and send some money, a donation to his stepdaughter for college, and the funeral expenses, it would be much appreciated. I know he would love that, and it took a lot for him to make a video explaining what happened to him this past week. So with that, God bless everybody. I thank everybody for subscribing, and stay safe out there, and remember to give your loved ones a kiss.